Managed Workplace includes an internal trouble ticket system that is linked to its alerting and user-generated tickets for efficiency. You can integrate with third-party professional services automation systems for even more comprehensive ticket tracking and issue management. Supported PSA systems include ConnectWise, Autotask, Salesforce, Tigerpaw, and many more. Once you have access to a supported PSA solution, that solution can be integrated within Managed Workplace ticketing system. If an alert is generated and has an alert action that also includes create a trouble ticket, it will create a new ticket in Managed Workplace. This will automatically generate the vendor-specific ticket in the PSA solution. From there, the partner would be able to use the advanced features of the PSA system. These can include assignment of tickets to technicians with a known hourly rate assigned to them for invoicing to the end client. Another feature is that any ticket closed in Managed Workplace or in the PSA will result in the ticket being closed in the other system. If you're using the Support Assistant tray icon on desktops monitored by Managed Workplace, the end user can also use that tray icon to submit a trouble ticket into Managed Workplace. If you have a third-party PSA solution that has been developed in-house or currently not supported by Managed Workplace, we can provide you with an API to allow your development team to integrate it into Managed Workplace. For more information, please visit us at barracudamsp.com.